everyone, this is Selena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Sherbert Day stamp and die set that's part of the Sweet Summer Celebration release. So let's take a closer look. This is 4x4 stamp set that has 8 pieces. It features super cute soft serve gnome. The size of the gnome is about 3.2 by 3.45 inches. There's also a coordinating stamp set that has 8 pieces, so it cuts out the gnome, cuts out a few sentiments, and little sprinkles. So here are a few samples from our design team. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!